showing you sexiness. Act like he didn't do that. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, and welcome back to another vlog. We're getting a late start today, but that's okay. Your girl haven't been feeling so well, as you guys know, and I've been so busy trying to get some stuff done. I just finished washing my hair because today is hair wash day, and babe and I just here getting some lunch. He's there plastering the mayonnaise over his chicken. Act like he didn't do that. So we are having lunch. Tyler is done for a nap because he's been up all morning roaming and playing while mommy getting some stuff done. Oh, the word for today is watagwan. So in Jamaica, when somebody says to you, Mel, watagwan, means how are you doing? So watagwan means how are you doing? So I'm gonna say watagwan, Favs. Yeah, that sounds good. So now you guys have another word. So that's the word for today, watagwan. Hopefully you guys will be learning some Jamaican dialect through this fun thing that we incorporated in the vlog. Babe, say the word for today.
Say watagwan.
Yes, say it again.
Say watagwan.
Yes. I just love hearing him speak patois. It's not even funny. So the word for today is watagwan. Means how are you doing? So if you're in Jamaica or you're around Jamaicans and you hear somebody say watagwan, now you know what it means. So we're just going to have some lunch, and of course I'm being a rabbit as usual. I am obsessed with lettuce and tomato and carrot these days. That is all I've been eating for a while. Lettuce, tomato and carrot, until my mind changed to some other vegetable or something. But I'm going to just grub into this lunch right now, and I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. You guys, workout is done, mission accomplished for today. Your girl is tired, but I have to just go and jump straight into the shower and then make dinner for myself and the boys. The job never ends, you guys, but that's okay. Gotta do what you gotta do, right? I'm just gonna jump in the shower real quick and then head straight into the kitchen. So for dinner today, I'm making some pasta for babe with some salmon, and then I am going to have salmon with some veggies over here steaming, and Tyler going to be having some mashed potato which is already cooked. So dinner is bubbling and is well on its way. This salmon look really chunky and yummy, so I'm really looking forward. Uh-oh, I almost smashed that one, so I'm really looking forward to it. So that's what I'm making for dinner today. Babe said he felt for these little pastas. So I'm making this for him. Some steamed veg for me. I felt for something hot today. So in my steamed veggies, cabbage, carrots, sweet peppers of different color, assorted sweet peppers, and just salt and pepper really, and some thyme. And I'm cooking it with olive oil. So that's dinner. Okay, you guys, dinner is ready. I'm having, like I told you earlier, salmon and steamed veg, and baby's having pasta and salmon. So we're about to grub, right, babe? Man of no words.
About to eat.
Alright, guys, we're about to grub, and it's not yet Tyler dinner time. So
Which one people would prefer to eat?
Yours, of course, because mine is veggies.
Oh.
But sorry, I rather mine.
I will only eat the salmon.
No, baby. He's about to steam my salmon. Alright, you guys, we're about to grub. Babe! Papa is feeding your dinner? Papa is feeding your dinner? Yeah? Take your clothes out your mouth. Tell her. Why are you showing your sexiness? Why are you showing your sexiness? Baby's feeding Tyler dinner while I am going to he's looking at me while I'm going to there they are. Well, I'm going to clean up Tyler's mess. Look there. That's all Tyler's mess. Look. You see all these things? That's Tyler's mess. More mess, more mess, and more mess. So I'm going to clean up his mess real quick. I'm just coming on to end the vlog before I head to bed because I'm so tired. Tyler is already off to bed and babe is still not feeling so good, so he is resting up a bit. And yeah, after dinner we just chilled and enjoyed the rest of the afternoon. We didn't really do anything much, so hopefully you guys enjoy this vlog, and hopefully you had a good day. Always make it a good one, and don't forget to catch up with the word of today. And I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys.